up, Maggie, I think I got something to say to you. It's late September and I really should be back at school. Wake up, Maggie, I think I got something to say to you. It's late September and I really should be back at school. You don't have to play the song the way it was recorded. You can put it in another key. And there's a really cool numbering system called the Nashville Number System that helps you figure out how to play a song in any key. My name is Brandon. This is MyPOVGuitar. I help you learn the guitar from the player's point of view, from your point of view. In this lesson, we're going to use Maggie May to show you how this works and how to transpose into another key. That way, if a song that you want to sing or play has chords you don't know yet, like bar chords for the minors, and you don't know how to do that yet, you can transpose it in another key. Or if it's too high for you to sing, you can put it in another key. But this opens up all kinds of possibilities, and I'm going to show you from your point of view. The first thing about Maggie May is that it's in the key of G, and that's deceiving because it starts in D. But always look to see where a song starts and where it ends. It ends on G. And if you kind of look at it, that wake up, Maggie, I think I got something to say to you. It's late September and I really should be back at school. It keeps going back to that G. So this is in the key of G. Okay, the next thing to do is to know how chords work in relation with one another in a key. So I've got this scale chart laid out in PDF form. You can download that at MyPOVGuitar.com. There'll be a link in the description and the show notes. That way you can play around with the different keys and songs. And it's free. There's no charge for it. Just go to MyPOVGuitar.com and download that. So in the scale chart, you have 1 through 7, and then it repeats. It's an octave. So the 8 on that chart would be another A, say for the key of A. It just repeats, it goes up the scale, see? So let's look at the key of G, which is what Maggie May is in. Okay, your 1, 4, and 5 in red there, that's your 3 chords in the truth. That's going to be major chords almost all the time, okay? That's just the basis of the song. So that's your 3 chords in the truth in most songs, is your 1, 4, and 5, okay? So in Maggie May, it's G, C, and D, okay? Those are always played as major chords. The 6 is the relative minor to that key. It's always a minor. So the main ones to just keep in mind that you can just relate to easily in playing songs is, you know, you've got your 3 chords and usually there's a minor in there. Think of it as peanut butter and jelly. E minor is the jelly to the peanut butter that is G. That's its minor. That's its baby. So 6 is always a minor. Now notes 2 and 3 on the scale, they're usually played as some sort of minor as well. And Maggie May is a great example of this because it doesn't use the relative minor, but it does use 2 and 3, A and B. So if you just take the song Maggie May and do the Nashville numbering system, you would see it written out this way. And you can see it starts on the 5 chord. Now we know it's in the key of G. So what that would be, you do 5, 4, 1. That's D, C, G. Wake up, Maggie, I think I got something to say to you. It's late September and I really should be back at school. if you wanted to change keys, and what I did in the opening was I played it in the key of C, right? So there it starts out in G, F to C. You have to change the way you sing it. It's lower. Wake up, Maggie, I think I got something to say to you. It's late September and I really should be back at school. But the distance between these chords all works the same no matter where you start. So the difference between G to C, with the 1 to the 4, is the same as C to the F, or E to the A to the D. It all works. If you were to change keys to the key on the left and just follow the number system, you can make that song happen. And then it uses the 2 and 3. So in the original version, on the part where it's, oh Maggie, I couldn't have tried anymore, it goes 2 to 3, back to 2. So it's an A minor, up to a B minor, and then down back to the A minor. Oh, Maggie, I couldn't have tried anymore. If you were to play that in C, it would be D minor to E minor, back to D minor. And that's why I chose the key of C, because you can play those minors without having to do bar chords. Oh, Maggie, I couldn't have tried anymore. So this is just a quick little lesson on transposing to different keys. I'll have the scale chart if you want to download it as a PDF for reference in the link in the comments and the description. So just go to MyPOVGuitar and you can get this scale chart, and then you can play around with playing songs in different keys. Until then, we'll see you in the next lesson.